Hello guys, so today we'll be solving this question, right? X raised to the power 4 minus 16 equals to 0. So in solving this, x raised to the power 4 minus 16 equals to 0. If you look at this, we have to look at a way to break this equation down. And one of the ways you can do that is, this is x raised to the power 4, which can be simplified as x raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2, okay, in bracket raised to the power 2, then minus 16. 16 is also a perfect square, so you can have it as 4 square equals to 0. Okay, another way we can also break this down, right, is to see, if you look at 4 can still be broken down as 2 square, so you can have it as x raised to the power 2 or squared minus 2 raised to the power 2 all square, which is equals to 0. And if you look at this, right, is similar to a rule called difference of 2 square. Now, the difference of 2 square has a form like this. We have a square minus b square, right? It states that it will be equals to a plus b into a minus b. Now, in this case, we can see that this equation is similar to this form of difference of 2 square. So we can now simplify x square all squared minus 2 square all squared in the form of difference squared, this form that we have below here. So you can have it as x square minus 2 square into x square. Okay, let's make this a plus and minus 2 square equals to 0. So now, having this, this is also another difference of 2 square, right? Now, since this is another difference of 2 square, we can also still break this down also to now become x minus 2 into x plus 2 equals to 0. So we have three equations multiplying themselves here. So now, to get the values of x in these, we have to take each one of the equations in the bracket. So let's pick the first one. X square plus 2 square is equals to 0. So now, to get this will become x square plus 4 is equals to 0. X square is equals to minus 4. To get the value of x, now we have to square root. We have to take the square root of both sides. Square root of minus 4 plus minus. So this square root cancels the square here. We are left with x. Then you have this. Now you recall that, right? Recall that I square is equals to minus 1. So to get this, we can simplify this root as 4 times minus 1, right? So x will now be equals to plus or minus 4i square. Okay, so x will now be equals to plus or minus this. Then x will now be equals to plus or minus 2. This square root to cancel this square, 2i. So you can see we now have two values for x, which is positive 2i, and x is also equals to negative 2i. Minus 2 equals to 0. So here we have it that x will now be equals to 0 plus 2. Therefore, x is equals to 2. Then if we pick the last one, which is x plus 2, if you pick the third equation, you have it that x is equals to 0 minus 2, and in that case x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2. Then if we pick the last one, which is x plus 2, if you pick the third equation, you have it that x is equals to 0 minus 2, and in that case x is equals to 2. So from this you can see how we can solve this question. So we have four values for x, two are real numbers, then two are complex numbers. Thank you. Yes, -2.